Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a delicious, practical breakfast recipe. I add 1 tablespoon of butter to my plate and melt it. After melting, I wash and chop 10, add the mushrooms, and roast a little. Delicious and practical recipe. After the mushrooms are roasted, I add 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper that I chopped on it and roasted the same way. I cut to pieces, add tomatoes and spices and mix them. I use thyme salt and black pepper as a spice. I close the lid of my pan and cook my vegetables until they are soft. My vegetables are cooked. I mix a little and I break 2 eggs. I close the lid and cook the eggs. After the eggs are cooked, I add cheddar cheese, which I grated. I close the lid again and cook until the cheddar cheese melts. It was very delicious. I hope you try it too. For those who will try, bon appetit in advance. Subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to leave a comment and like. See you in new and practical recipes. Goodbye.